Hello guys, my name is Girish and welcome to Giri's Smart Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the quickest way to lock any Mac. Of course, in case of a Mac laptop, that can be very easily done by just closing the laptop lid. However, in a generic situation, there are at least more than half a dozen ways to lock the Mac. So the quickest one is click on the Apple menu and click on the lock screen. That's the first option. The second option to lock your Mac is using the keyboard. Uh, Click on Control, Command, and Q button on your keyboard. That should automatically lock your screen. However, the most magical option of locking your Mac is using the hot corners. To do that, click on System Preferences, click on the Machine Control, click on the hot corners, and click on lock screen for any one of the four um, corners. So once this is done, all that you're supposed to do is like move your cursor there and the screen is immediately locked. So this is probably the most easiest one. As I said before, there are more than half a dozen methods to lock your Mac, and I just showcased the easiest amongst them. Please comment which one is your favorite method. Also, if you have liked this video, then please click on like button and hit the bell icon. Please share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.